y'all, so today I am back with another haul. Today that haul is from Burlington Coat Factory. Our Burlington Coat Factory here in North Carolina opened last week, and I was there on the first day, and I was one of the first ones in line. So they were having up to 50% off everything in the store. Now, the clothes and the shoes, the luggages, the baby items, and I think some clearance items in different sections were 50% off. But things like houseware, anything from like the decorations to the kitchen, to pillows and things like that, those things were 25% off. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm not going to start in any particular order. I'm just going to show things as they are in the bags. So I picked up things for myself as well as some Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, just different gifts in general. So I found these little jewelry boxes, I guess they are. Yeah, they're jewelry boxes. They have a mirror inside as well as a place for you to put your jewelry, your rings and things like that. And these were BB, and these were priced at $6.99. Oh, and the things in the beauty section, they were 25% off as well. Beauty and handbags and things like that were 25% off. But this was in the beauty section, and it was on clearance for $6.99, but it was 50% off of that price. So I grabbed a few of those. This one was a little bit more, which was $7.99. It's shaped a little bit differently, but it's the same concept, just about. Still a jewelry box with the mirror, but this one, oh yeah, this one is the one that you can pull this out. So I thought these would be great gift ideas, something to travel with. Things like that. You can use it for jewelry or whatever you like. So, okay, so I got 3 of these boxes, and these are BB as well, and it gold, silver, and black. So these were all $7.99. Yep, $7.99, but they were 50% off. And like I showed you, this one was these two. Oh, this one was $6.99, and then this one was $4.99. It's really cute. And all of these were BB, and all of them were 50% off. Next, I found some clothes. I got these Levi jeans. They were priced at $19.99. Just some regular skinny Levi jeans, but they were 50% off. I'm gonna let y'all do the math just for the sake of the time for the video, so the video won't be too long. So I also got some leggings. These were some Puma leggings. The Puma on the side of them. And these were priced at $16.99, but they were 50% off. Really cute, simple leggings. Then I got these cute little leggings. These were a blue color Puma leggings with orange Puma on the side. Really cute and simple. And then these were priced at $16.99 as well. 50% off of that. Then I picked up some other leggings. These are some Calvin Klein leggings. Cute little print. Something to wear on a casual day or to work out in. These were $19.99. 50% off of that. And I also got 3 of the same swimsuits just different patterns. Really cute. Oh, goes like this. One piece little swimsuit with the little designs on the side. Really cute swimsuit. And oh, let me show you the other ones. This was the other one. Same swimsuit, just a different pattern. I thought these were really cute. And this was the other one. Cute blue one with the yellow flowers. Same thing on the sides. And these were all $19.99 with 50% off. Then I got a two-piece swimsuit. It's a high rise, I guess that's what they call it. High waist. High waist. High waist, high rise, whatever. And this is the top that goes with it. It's similar to that one, just the two-piece. And this was $19.99 as well, 50% off. Then I got these little pants. They're like a cover-up for your swimsuit. Thought they were really cute. Really cute. Has a little bit of shimmer to it. And this is the bottom of them. So cute little cover-up pants. And these were $14.99, 50% off. Then I got these little cute little pants. They're pretty comfortable. And they're stretch. So they're good. These were the bottom. Really cute. They're blue with like black and, they're yellow or orange with black and white stripes on them. And these were $12.99 with 50% off. Then I got these little cute Rugrat socks and some SpongeBob socks. They were really cute. And these were originally $2.99. And I believe these were 50% off as well. Next, I'll show, I got a twin pack of Tommy Hilfiger pillows. Pretty good deal. And I got them for $16.99. These were 25% off. I usually get my pillows from Macy's, I believe for $8.99. $7.99 or $8.99 for one pillow. So this was a pretty good deal. I thought it was. And I usually get the Tommy Hilfiger pillows from Macy's as well. So had to grab those. Here I got some baby items. These are a 3-pack of hooded towels. BB hooded towels. They're really cute. Pink with like gold hearts and decorations. I thought those were really cute. And like I said, everything in the baby section was 50% off as well. And these were originally $19.99. These were $9.99. And I thought this was cute. I thought this went well. It was just a little headband bow and a little bib. It matched perfectly. And these were $4.99 at 50% off. So I thought that was cute. And then I got these little baby hangers. 25 came in a pack. And they were $7.99 with 50% off. So a good deal on that. Also got these little Puma socks. Thought those were really cute. I might take these back because I bought some Puma onesies from Ross. And I thought these were the same color pink, but they're different. So I might end up taking these back because I like the onesies better. But anyway, these were $5.99. So 50% off of that. Next, I got these little flip-flops, cute with little rhinestones around them. Thought those were really cute. And all the shoes were 50% off as well. And these were only $6.99. So 50% off of $6.99. Then I got these cute little red sandals. Strap around your ankle. And these were $17.99. Really cute. And I got these sandals. I like the color. I got them for the color, but they are different than what I would normally wear. These are stretch, so that's perfect, especially for me. And these are Madden Girl sandals. And these were originally $16.99. So 50% off of that. And I got these little foot support or arch support inserts for your shoes. I have a fallen arch, so I think these will come in handy. These were originally $5.99. And I believe these were, I want to say 50% off. But I found them at the front of the store, like where you're in line by the register. And that stuff wasn't clearly marked off. But I think these were 50% off as well. Got this little suede kit to clean off your shoes. So shoes like these, this will help to clean any marks or anything off. Didn't really need it. It was something I saw at the register. And these were this was $3.99, and I believe it was 50% off as well. It may have been 25% off, but yeah. I got these picture frames. I thought these were really cute. I am planning on buying a house soon, and I think this will be great for the idea for decorations that I have in my mind. But yeah, this was a cute little picture frame. I thought was really cute, and it was priced at $7.99, and this was 25% off. And I also got a smaller picture frame, same one, just smaller, and this one was $3.99, 25% off. I got these little fresh scent, I call them sachets. I don't know if that's the right thing to call them, but I use these in my car. I put them under my seats in my car. I also put them in my closet, but you could use them anywhere to help freshen up the room or wherever you put them. But they smell really good. And these were both $4.99, and you get 3 in a pack. So I've got those. Also got some tongs, just some tongs for the kitchen. It was something that I needed, and these were $2.99, and this was 25% off as well. I got this 12-quart pot. Now, to be honest, I got it because of the color. My favorite color is pink. I don't cook like that, but I want to cook a little more often. So yeah, I got this. I'm sure it'll come in handy with something. So if you have any ideas of what you would cook in here, put them down in the comment section below. I would love to see what you would put in there. But right now, I don't know what I would cook in here, but I'm sure it'll be put to good use. And this was $22.99, but it was 25% off. And they had different colors, but like I said, pink is my favorite color, so I had to pick it up. And I got this little mug. It says wake up and make up. That was really cute. I thought that was cute. And it was originally $3.99 and 25% off as well. I got this little cute Tommy Hilfiger backpack. Thought that was really cute. And this was originally $32.99, and it was 25% off. All the handbags were 25% off. And now for the big purchase, I got a three-piece luggage set. It was Calvin Klein, and I got it. So originally I would have paid $210 for all 10 pieces, but I got all 3 pieces for $100, which was a very good deal. And I had to hold on tight to these in the store because people were asking me if they could have it, if they could buy it, and if they had any more. But this was all I seen by the time that I got to the luggage section. But yeah, I think this was a really good deal, so I'm gonna do my best to show you. But this is the, let me see, so I don't know what size it is, but this is the biggest size, the largest size luggage. And it expands on the side. It has lots of room. It's really cute. And this was originally $59.99, and it was 50% off. So that was a really good deal for that. And then this is the medium size luggage. And then it expands as well. Same thing like the big one. But this one was $79.99, which is weird. Now that I'm looking at it, this middle size luggage, maybe they just swapped the prices. But the medium size is more than the large one. But I think they just swiped the prices on them. And then this is the smallest one. This one is $69.99. Yeah, they switched the prices. They should be switched around. But yeah, this one expands as well. And since this one is smaller, I'll show the inside of it. And they all look the same on the inside, but it has this little area where you can put things in. Cute little Calvin Klein on it. And it goes pretty deep on the inside. Pretty deep. So yeah, those are all the things that I got from Burlington. And I only went to one Burlington coat factory, but this was all that I found. The very first day, my mom and I, we spent 5 hours in there. That included waiting in line. The line was really, really long, but I think it was well worth it because I got some Christmas shopping done in there and then bought some gifts for other people. But I spent a total of $371.74, and it says I saved $278. So for all of this stuff, for the price I got it, I think it was a very, very good deal, especially with this luggage set. You can't beat it. So yeah, so if your Burlington Coat Factory isn't wiped out, or even if it is, just go see what you can find there. And let me know if you found anything there and what you got. And yes, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.